Welcome to VCC's Heavy Mechanical Trades Foundation program. In this full-time program, you'll learn the skills to repair and maintain heavy-duty equipment used in all sorts of industries, including transportation, forestry, farming, mining, and construction. As a heavy-duty equipment technician, you'll work with delicate electronic controls and handle heavy parts and high-pressure hydraulics. This program is for you if you like working with your hands. There are 16 spots available per program. After 9 months in our 10,000 square foot training facility, you'll be able to safely inspect, service, and repair commercial trucks, diesel engines, transport trailers, and other heavy equipment. You'll learn through hands-on practice in school and the workplace, student-led group discussions and presentations, and interactive lectures and written projects.
It's not going fast, slow, because there's no driveline working angle. As soon as I increase my working angle on the U-joints, you start to see the difference in how much they speed up and slow down, speed up and slow down. It's twice per revolution it speeds up and slows down.
Our instructors have years of industry experience, and we've been a leader in heavy mechanical trades for about 50 years. We were the first school to do diesel engine repair in BC. Generally speaking, we do a continuous intake, so about every 10 weeks we intake another group of students. So the students get an apprenticeship and the wages are quite good.
The Heavy Mechanical Trades Foundation program is located at VCC's Broadway campus.